Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So the product I want to share with you today is a super easy to install home duvet. It is by a company called LUXE Bidet, and this particular model is the Neo 185 Plus. And so we're going to go over everything you get and what is also the difference between the 185 versus the 185 Plus. So this is the box that it comes in. Once you open it up, naturally you're going to get a user menu that is very easy to read and shows you how to install. But like I said, it's super easy to install. One of the great things about the Plus series. Now mine also came with this little toiletry bag that you can use when you are traveling, which is a nice little kind of a freebie throw thing in there. You are going to, of course, get the attachment to the toilet. So step one is you want to make sure, obviously, the water line is turned off to your toilet. You are going to attach this little T piece right here. Now, this is all made out of metal, so it's not cheap plastic or anything like that. That can crack. It's all made out of metal. Now the end piece that you twist on is made out of a hard plastic. So you're going to attach this, and then you're going to attach this side hose here, and it includes this automatic easy to tighten part that just screws on, and then you're going to attach this side to the unit itself. So once again, very easy to hook up the water line. Only takes a few seconds. Anyone can do it. You don't have to be a plumber to figure that part out or any of the install. Now it also includes a little plastic hard wrench here, so if you don't have the plumbing tools, you're covered. You can utilize this, and this is basically just utilizing tighten these. I personally don't think you need this unless you're needing it to untighten your old ones, because these little plastic parts that are included here, they make it easy to twist on. Like, this guy does no purpose. It's just simply here to make it easy to twist into position, which is great. But they do include a wrench if you need it. They also include a spool of Teflon tape that you can put around the thread joints when you are installing it. Then you are going to get the device itself. So the back water line will hook onto the back of the device. It just, once again, screws in place. Now, how you install this on your toilet, you don't have to remove your toilet seat. That's why it's one of the reasons it is super easy to install. The big difference, one of the big differences between the 180 versus the 180 Plus is it has this clever install that it just slides into place. And how it does that is you can see these little bracket parts here. They have a slotted hole. So you just need to loosen your toilet seat to the correct height and then slide it in. Now, if you have a toilet seat that has like a spacer, they include two different spacer heights. So what's on here is like the medium size, but if you have a large spacer, because obviously you don't want this wiggling, it needs to still be tight, they include a larger spacer attachment, and then they include in this little bag here a thinner spacer attachment. So once again, it pretty much covers all toilet types. Just simply loosen that in, slide it into position, and then tighten back up that toilet joint if you need. Now, another cool aspect of this little unit is it's super easy to clean. As you can see, it folds up, and that is another nice feature of the 185 Plus versus other ones. This folds up, so it's easy to clean the unit, easy to clean under kind of the rim of the toilet below the unit. Make sure cleanliness is very important, at least it is to me. And this has got all those parts thought out of it. Now, another unique thing about the LUXE Bidet is it has a cover shield over the wands. So that way it protects against splashing, if you know what I mean. So this cover is easy to clean, and it keeps anything, bacteria or whatnot, getting on the units themselves. The units themselves also have a 360 cleaning feature. So the previous ones They used to just spray against that splash guard and kind of help get rid of anything that may have gotten stuck on the wands. This thing does a better job at cleaning that. There is on the dial on the side, there is a nozzle clean. Just go ahead and turn it all the way over there and then turn it on max, let it flush out, and you're good to go. Now, obviously, this bidet has the rear wash and the feminine wash, so you have your options covered. If you've never used one, it's going to save you on, you're going to be find yourself using a lot less toilet paper, and you're just going to feel a lot cleaner. Also for the ladies, the same thing with the feminine wash, makes super easy for cleanup for multiple things. Now, on the other wand, it has an adjustable pressure. So if you have hard or like strong water pressure at the house, or it's too intense for you, you can just kind of adjust the pressure as you need, and then it has a stronger pressure. So if you have weaker water pressure, you can turn this bad boy all the way up to the max option. So once again, customizing the water pressure and customizing either the front or the back side in the self-cleaning nozzles. Now, back to the cleaning part, this little door does pop open, so you can clean if you need to do a deep clean. And then the same thing with the nozzles, they do pull down, and then you can clean those as well. So overall, really, really well thought out of everything on this guy. I really love how easy it is to install. Super easy to slide in, very nice and attractive looking. The big key point differences between the 185 versus the 185 Plus is these hinges. This thing lifts up, which makes it easy to clean. It has that 360-degree advanced nozzle cleaning aspect, and it's just slides on in. The install is a lot easier. You don't have to fully remove the toilet seat. Not that that takes a lot of time. It just makes it that much easier to install. So, and then this also comes, I just have the white one here, but it comes in multiple colors, so you can find the right decor that fits your personality. But overall, if you're in the market and you're looking to try out a bidet, I cannot recommend it enough. Give this a shot. Totally recommend checking this one out. Simply how easy it is to install and how well it maintains and keeping itself clean. So for all those reasons, I do totally recommend it. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.